Ha out in the minute. And suitable place, car wash. It's not often I let these wash my cars, but I was like, screw it, I can't be bothered doing it myself. We'll see how it goes. Had it cleaned, and I noticed something. Didn't do that brilliant, did they? Yeah. My chrome delete done, just waiting for it to dry off a bit so that I can pull off the excess plastic dip. Looks alright, quite like it, prefer it than chrome. There we go. I'll show how easy it is in a bit to take the plastic dip off. There we go, another bit done. Now just the long beams to do, and then all done with blackout on front. It was a hell of a lot better though. Just need to get rid of all the stone chips by respraying bumper. So, but I'm having full car sprayed at some point anyway, so we'll be alright. So, back on with spraying again, and this is like the bit that everybody seems to forget about, and not just forgets about it, they just like ignore it, which is the wipe down. All I use is 70% rubbing alcohol. Wipe that down, takes rest of like grease off, and try not to touch it after that as well, because yeah, it's not brilliant stuff. It'll start getting dirty and everything, which is what you don't want. So just let that dry off. You do it till like it's clean, which is not far off, but you do leave it till it's clean. I've masked all, but it's only a rough mask because I'm using plastic dip again. So, right, clean the other side, then first coat. Front end's now fully plastic dipped, and it's lucky as well because it's now starting to britain. Time to back up. Yeah, so plastic dip. Oh, great. Plastic dip is good, but at the same point, it's really, really easy to get wrong. Just like spraying. No, I like it. So good. Looks a lot better with the plastic dip front now. There's little bits where I can still see chrome, but it'll be alright. I've got minions. That was the result of roof wrapping. Yeah, it didn't want to happen. Ah, dear. Not happy because what that cost. And it hadn't gone on right. But to be fair, roof at Mini's never been as clean. It's actually smooth as well. Whereas paintwork on this is rough, so I'm going to do it full car, I think. It's like a glossy finish now rather than gritty. So, kind of worked. Oh dear, things I get up to. We're getting more done on that soon. Hello. Grumpy dog. There we go.